Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Basecamp projects using file downloads. Quick tutorial. To backup your Basecamp projects using file downloads, start by logging into your Basecamp account. Navigate to the project you wish to backup. Once inside the project, locate the Files section in the sidebar. Click on Files to access all the documents and files associated with the project. In the Files section, you will see a list of all uploaded files. Identify the files you want to download. For each file, hover over it to reveal the download option. Click on the download link next to each file. The file will begin to download to your computer. Repeat this process for all the files you want to backup. Next, go to the message board section of your project. Browse through all the discussions, as these can also be important for your backup. For each message, you can copy the text directly. Open a text document on your computer. Paste the copied text into the document for easy access later. Continue this for all key messages and discussions. Now, move on to the to-dos section. Review the tasks listed and make note of any that are crucial for your backup. You may want to take screenshots of the to-do lists for a visual reference. If preferred, you can also copy and paste the to-do items into another text document. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, ensure everything is organized. Save the text documents and files in a folder dedicated to your Basecamp backup. To conclude, always double-check that you have all essential components of your project backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.